all you have to do is take a 1x1 plate with ring clip on side and a 1x1 tile with clip on top and put them together like this. And then there's a small little hole in the side there, but that's easily hidden just by kind of turning it to different angles. So this design really works well with like a larger mock that you might be creating, or stop motion films where you can manipulate those angles. And of course, you know, you do want engines, so we're going to put a 1x1 round translucent blue plate on the back there so we can have our Tantive IV fleeing a Star Destroyer as it escapes with the plans for the Death Star. First, we're going to build the cockpit, and to do that, we're going to get one of these little T-bars and 2 white cones, and you're going to just put the cones on the end of the T-bar like that. And then once we have that completed and you got those cones securely on the T-bar, you're going to get a 1x1 headlight brick and just stick it in the hole in the front of the headlight brick like that. And now we have our cockpit. Now in the back here, we're going to get a 1x1 dark red plate and just put it back here, because the Tantive IV was not one solid color. It actually had like colors of red painted on the side of it, so that's going to give us that color variation. Now we're also going to get another 1x1 headlight brick, and this time we're going to put a 1x1 tile, dark red tile, on top. And I suggest you do this before you connect them together, because it just makes putting them together easier. Now once you've got those 2 bricks put together, you're going to join them together so that the bottom has the holes on it and the back has a hole in it. Now we're going to get a 1x1 circle plate and put it in that back hole. So you can see our Tantive IV is slowly coming together. Now for this next part, we're going to build the engines, those big old engines that the Tantive IV is known for. And to build the engines, you're just going to get a 2x2 white plate and a whole bunch of these little 1x1 round plates. And we're going to put the engines on this plate. So what you do is you get one round plate, white, then another round plate, and put them together like that. And this time it's light bluish gray. And then on top of that light bluish gray plate, you're going to put a white round plate again. So you're going to get something like this. And then you just stick that on the back of the 2x4 plate. And now we're going to do that 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So white, light bluish gray, white. We have the engines to our Tantive IV. So what you're going to do is you're going to put this part where we put that 1x1 circle plate into here on our 2x2 plate. Put them together and we've got a completed Tantive IV. So we're going to build this in 3 sections. Let's start with the engines. What you're going to need is a 2x3 plate. And on that 2x3 plate, in the center, you're going to put a 1x2 plate. And then above and on top of that 1x2 plate, you're going to put a 1x2 jumper plate. Now on the sides here, we're going to get some nice slope pieces. And those slope pieces go so that they slant down towards the outside of the plate. So they're high at the top, and then they slant down. And we're going to do that on both sides of our 2x3 plate here. And there is the front part of our engine. Now on the back, we're going to get those big old thrusters that the Corellian or the Tantive IV is known for. So we're going to get some 1x1 cylinder plates and put them so that the large open end is facing out. So you just put all 6 of these engines on the back of your 2x3 plate. And then when you're done, it'll look something like this. And of course, since we want this to be flying through space, we're going to put some red 1x1 round plates here. I'm using translucent red for those thrusters firing and propelling it through space. Now, you could use orange or blue is very popular in the Star Wars universe, but I have a lot of these red plates. And so now that we're done, I have the engine section of my Tantive IV. To create the body, we're going to get a headlight brick, a 1x1 headlight brick, and a Travis brick, and we're going to put them together so that the bottom is the part that has the holes and is flat. And now across the top of those two pieces, we're going to get a 1x4 plate, and we're just going to put it right there at the end of the 1x4 plate, so it's lined up like that. And we're going to get another Travis brick, and ideally you want white, but we're not going to see this part of the model, so it can be any color, and I just have black. And what you're going to do is the open end of the Travis brick is facing out, and you're going to put it right there on that little tiny stud that's underneath. So you just kind of connect it like that, and you're going to notice that there's some space here. Well, the reason we have that space is we're going to get a 1x1 round plate and put it at the back of that Travis brick. So again, the hole is kind of facing out the back. Now we're going to get it all lined up. And on the sides here, remember I said we're not going to see that black Travis brick? What you do is you get another 1x4 plate and line it across. So it's going to be flush with the front and all the way back. You can see how all you're seeing is that stud. And we're going to do the same thing on the side. We're going to get another 1x4 plate and put it along the side. And there's the body. Now to add a little more detail, remember, this is the front of our body. So in the back, I'm going to put these little 1x1 round red studs, and that just kind of mimics the little paint job that's done on the side of the Tantive IV when we're all completed. So we're putting that on the side of our body. For the cockpit, we're going to get a Travis brick, and on each side of the Travis brick, we're going to put a 1x1 plate. So just on each side of the Travis brick, put a 1x1 plate. And once again, the hole is kind of going to be the back of our cockpit. Now on the side of those 1x1 plates that I just put in, we're going to put 1x1 circle plates. So just put those in there like that. And we've almost completed the cockpit. What we're going to do now is get a 1x1 round brick and put it in the back so that we have the big hole facing the bout. Now, we take our three parts. So here I've got my body. I'm going to put it together with my cockpit. And now I'm going to take my engine, and we see those two holes, and we're put it together there. And I have a completed Tantive IV.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.